Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF file in your laptop. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to open up your favorite browser, type down drive.google.com and hit on enter. And once that's done, it may require you to log into your Google account. Just go and log in. And once logged in, go ahead over to the top left, click on new right here, and just click on file upload. Like so, open up your PDF file, hit on open, wait for the process to finish. And once done, you can now go ahead and click on the PDF and just click on open with Google Docs right here. Okay, wait for the new tab to load. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and edit the content of your PDF. Okay, and once that's done, go to File right here at the top left, click on Download and re-download it as a PDF again. Save it wherever you want, rename it. Hit on Save. There you go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.